Hey everyone, this is Ryan B. with Practical FX Trading, and this is weekly analysis for the US dollar, Canadian dollar on December 22nd, 2019. So let's talk about pivot points, where you think price is going, long-term trends, and short-term trends. So what we're starting looking at here is a weekly chart that goes all the way back to 2011, so almost a 10-year chart. Where we see the Canadian dollar just losing ground slowly over time to the US dollar, right? So what we have here is I've got a candlestick chart. I've got three moving averages: my fast, my medium, and my slow. So my fast is a 20, my medium is a 50, my slow is a 200. So we see right now price sitting on top of the 200 weekly moving average, and all these moving averages are consolidating, which basically means the market's moving sideways, right? So that's the long term of things. But we see historically price has done that a lot, right, in this area, about $1.32 to $1.30. We see price return there time and time again. Right now it's kind of sitting on top of that zone. So long term, the next 10 years, I'm definitely bullish on US dollar. My sentiment would change if price fell below this last low back in October of 2019 at about $1.30.50. If I saw a sustained break below that, that would change sentiment. But for now, bullish. Let's go ahead and get closer at the daily and look at our weekly pivot points. So here's our daily chart, and what we see is we've got price had a big, strong day on Friday, really shot up, and is basically bounced off the support line here. So this is our weekly S1 at $1.3105. Now we're going to have a light trading week because of the Christmas holidays. Banks close Christmas Eve early as well. So how much action we get up in this trend could be limited, just a low trading volume. So we might see price kind of meander around this $1.31 range or above the 50, but no significant movements until 2020 perhaps. A lot of support though, right? So if I'm buying here, I'm putting my stop, I could put it behind weekly S1, or if I want to go even more long term and put my stop here below this last low at $1.30.50 and feel pretty good about it holding. So that being said, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer and use our 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart's kind of like your micro daily. I lost my trend lines. Okay, I'm going to flip back to the daily. That was interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead and redraw that trend line. Looks like we lost it there. But if we look at that move there, okay, great. Now let's go ahead and zoom in. Okay, so I'm expecting price possibly to hold above this line here, above that pivot point. Maybe pull back. If it pulls back again, takes another poke at this $1.31 level, that's another great place to buy. We see though price kind of deflecting off of this 50, right? So historically, if you look back, you see price deflecting off the 50, that medium's red band of moving averages. So I just think what's going to happen is price will move sideways, these moving averages will converge, and then price will be sitting on top of the 20 and the 50, and we'll see our next move up. Let's go ahead and look at our 1 hour. So if I'm day trading, I'm really looking at the 1 hour, right? And that's because the trades I open should be concluded within the week or a couple days, and that's really, until you get better with patience, you want to just kind of keep it easy and keep it short term. So look in the short term, it looks bullish as well. We've got price sitting on top of the fast moving average, and we've got it'll consolidate here, slowly move up towards our weekly R1 at $1.3190. Make sure you check out all of our other currency pair analysis, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. There's a little button at the right bottom part of your screen. click subscribe. We also have a USD Canadian playlist you can subscribe to get all your up-to-date analysis on the dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, thanks. Have a good one.